I enjoyed it very much. I'm very amazed at the amount of response that I've gotten about my performance and about Pawan Kalyan sir. And I'm just, it's very nice to know that it's my first Telugu film and I've gotten such good feedback from everybody. I think I got the most amount of positive responses for when Sandhya goes to the village and when she's seen in traditional attire and how she plays a very simple girl and you know, she's at home with her family with Ashok Anna and Lakshmaka and Bama and when Jay comes to see her in the village, I've gotten the best responses for that. Who gave me my first response? I think immediately after the screening, everyone who had come for the screening, sort of when I went outside, everyone from the producers to people who were watching, Pawan Garu's family was there as well, and they all had like really nice things to say. My most favorite song is Ella Ella. I also love the title track, but my most favorite song is Ella Ella. पापा राइडू पापा राइडू का जो कैरेक्टर है मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा चाला बाउंते it was absolutely awesome and I liked it because the comedy aspect that he brought to the screen was absolutely fantastic. उसको कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है बस उनको देख के आप हंस पड़ते हैं और Dr. Brahmanandan is also a really great person. जब हम set पे थे तो he was very you know sort of very humble and we chat and we spoke and we laughed a lot on set. Pawan Kalyan is a power star and everybody knows this and his fans love him so much and I'm very happy that his fans have extended their warmth to me as well. And Pawan as a person is amazing. He's a great actor but also even on set, despite the fact that he's such a big star, he's still very humble, very down to earth. He's very patient with me, even though I'm, you know, first time Telugu film and I don't speak Telugu that, well, I don't speak Telugu. But sometimes with the dialogues, I had to say it twice, thrice, 3 times, I had to do one take. But he was very patient and he's just a really amazing human being. The response has been great. My Twitter page is filled with responses from people from all over the world saying, you know, we love you, Sandhya, and your character was really great, and the pairing between you and Pawan Kalyan was really good. So like I said, I'm very, very humbled, and thank you to all the fans. Nilima, Shobu, and Nagesh are like family to me now. I thank them for giving me this, for believing in my potential and giving me this opportunity to star in such a big film and as my debut. And also, even during the filming process, they took really good care of me. In fact, when we were in we were in Vagamand, I fell really ill in Vagamand or Polachi, I'm not sure. And they actually flew me to Bombay just for one day to see my family doctor and come back to shoot. And it caused like a lot of problems because the schedule got a little messed up, but they were still very cooperative and they didn't make anything less for me while we were filming. मैंने picture स्क्रीनिंग के टाइम पे देखा आई थिंक इट वाज 8th नाइट और मैं अकेली गई और सब वहाँ पे थे अनु थी अनुवर्धन विष्णुवर्धन ऑल द प्रोड्यूसर्स वर देयर पवन गरू की एंटायर फैमिली भी थे वहाँ पे और जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा जब मैं बाहर आई थिएटर से स्क्रीनिंग के बाद तो सभी का रिस्पांस जो था बहुत ही अच्छा था और मेरे बारे में बहुत ही sweet से things कह रहे थे और I'm just happy that I was able to portray the character really well. Ali again full cartoon, just making us laugh the entire time. And Subbaraju is a very, I think Subbaraju has managed to capture his character again in the film very well. Ashok Anaya, and Ashok Anaya is a very strong person in the film and a very important person in Sandhya's life. And he's the elder brother, so he's very protective of Sandhya and what she does and where she goes and who she meets. And I think that they both have sort of portrayed that really well in the film. And in fact, my first scene was with Subbaraju. And he was very helpful with, you know, my Telugu dialogues, and he told me, you should say this like that, you can say this way. So great working experience. Well, I own a cupcake shop in Bombay, and Nilima wants to open a cupcake shop in Hyderabad. So she kept telling me to buy cupcakes and bring them to Hyderabad. So I brought some, and I gave little boxes to all the vanity vans, and I sent one box to Pawan Garu's van as well. And the next day when we were shooting, he said, thank you for the cupcakes. I said, you're welcome. He said, I ate all of them. I said, okay, they're very dangerous. I said, okay, cool. So yeah, that was kind of sweet and funny. The music is, well, it's a super duper hit, I think. Yuvan has managed to work through it fantastically, even though he suffered the loss of his mother. I can't imagine what that must feel like, and to be able to be so professional and yet deliver what he had promised. The title track is everybody's ringtone now, everybody's caller tune. And like I said, I love Ella Ella and all the other songs as well. Everything from the way it was recorded to the way it was sung to the way Vishnu has sort of directed it, the way he's designed the videos. I think everything sort of lends to the experience of watching Panja. Vishnu's like a fireball. He is full of energy all the time. When we shot the climax scene, we shot it in Calcutta and we started shooting it 5 o'clock in the evening, and we stopped at about 7 o'clock in the morning, and Vishnu was just full of energy the entire time. You know, when you have a director like that, he kind of infuses you with that energy as well. And also, again, because it's my first Telugu film, and I don't speak Telugu, and now I understand quite a bit, but then I didn't really understand that much. So Vishnu was very instrumental in breaking it down for me and making me understand and sort of speaking the language that I spoke, so that I could deliver the best that I could deliver on camera. I don't think I would have gotten such a good response if it wasn't for Vishnu. Well, Anjali and I only did one scene together, so it's hard to say much. But I've known Anjali from before we shot the film, and she's from the same, obviously from the modeling circuit, and I've also known her socially. She's a great girl, and I'm really happy that she's gotten this opportunity to make her debut in such a big film. तेलुगु के अलावा मैं अभी एक फिल्म कर रही हूँ, क्या सुपर कूल है हम, बालाजी के साथ, और उसके अलावा 2-3 और प्रोजेक्ट्स भी पाइपलाइंस में है, लेकिन मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकती अभी. I like to cook in my free time. I also like to make music, and if I can, then I like to travel.